Monday, September 16th, 2024. Saints Cornelius and Cyprian. Focus. Do this in remembrance of me. What would life be without traditions? Our family holiday at a friend's home in Himachal Pradesh included traditional dinners around the fireplace. But warmer than the fire was the warmth of the love they shared. The family was large. Despite the diversity in their occupations and the hilly distances, their tradition of praying together and enjoying breakfast and dinner together left a deep impression on us. Today's readings invite us to remember and practice the tradition of selfless love that Jesus himself gave us. Paul generously shares Christ and encourages his flock to be considerate of the have-nots instead of selfishly eating and drinking and caring only about themselves. Jesus humbly and obediently comes to do the will of God. One might add, he did this cheerfully. Jesus is impressed by the centurion's faith and selflessly heals his servant. Time to consider. What can we do to show selfless love? What spiritual family tradition can we restore? Or what meaningful action can we do that will bring Jesus to those around us? What virtues of Jesus do others see us practice as a family? Fruit. From today, I will revive the beautiful family tradition of eating together, gratefully blessing every meal, appreciating those who prepared it, and practicing kindness and love at the table.